Do you currently use watermarks, graphics, or text overlays for your Etsy photos? Even though these are great ways to protect your images and add information about the products, they could be affecting your views. So if you want to learn more about how they affect you, keep watching. Hi, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel and want to learn how to turn your passions into profits, please subscribe today. I upload weekly videos, and don't forget to hit that notification bell to be the first one notified of any new videos. So let's go ahead and dive right in. One of my students told me about a video that she came across from Etsy, and a young lady who works at Etsy was doing an Etsy critique on Instagram. And she critiqued a store using graphics and text overlays in their Etsy photos. And she mentioned something interesting that I wanted to share with you guys because it's worth knowing about and also talking about. The rep said you should consider not adding watermarks, graphics, or text overlays to your main photo, which is the first photo, if you want to be found and expand your reach outside of Etsy. And the reason she gave is because Google's search algorithm tends to favor listings that have no extra graphics, watermarks, or text overlays on top. So if you currently have any of these on your main listing photo and want to reach potential shoppers of Etsy, I recommend following Etsy tips by removing them from the main photo. Now, you can have the watermarks, let's say if you want to use also text overlay to include information on your second, on your third, on your fourth image, but not on the main image. And I thought this was very interesting. I already knew that Etsy doesn't feature stores that have watermarks on their photos, but I wasn't aware that offsite ads and Google Shopping don't like images that include what I just mentioned, watermark, graphics, or text overlays. So I hope that this information comes in handy for you guys. Let me know in the comments below if you already knew this information or if this is new for you as well. I will leave the link in the comments below to the Instagram critique so you could check it out for yourself. And thanks for watching.